So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and what I'm doing today is I'm over here in Georgia, alright, with the family, and guess what? I found something I can repair and put together. I got a few things I'm gonna record. I'm recording them all separately, but you can see that the closet door kind of came off, and the fam said, "Hey man, listen, the door knew you was coming, so the door fell off right in time." And I've already kind of looked at the door and I've diagnosed what's going on. Let me bring you a little closer. And down here you can see the little bracket there. It's kind of come loose, and I'm gonna just take that bracket apart right there, straighten it back out, and then the door goes right here into this little hole right here. And as you can see, the mechanism of it slides in the track right there, and then I have the pin right there as well. So this is gonna be a real simple, real quick and easy project to do. So let me go ahead and get this all set up. And I'm going to position my camera to take this little piece off right here. I'm using my Milwaukee 18 gauge. You can do this with a hand screwdriver, honestly. You don't even really need a drill for this. And I see they didn't put a screw into the bottom down there, so I'm gonna shoot a screw down there. Typically there's concrete down there, so it might not necessarily tap into the ground there. So we'll see what happens. But I'll take this little piece and I'm going to bend it backwards here, kind of straighten it out a little bit, and just put this thing back into the wall first and get all that little dirt and grime out the way there. All right, got one of them in there. Put the other one in here. All right. Straighten that out a little bit. I'm gonna shoot this one straight down. Yeah, so I got concrete underneath there, so I can get down in there, but it's not really all that necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull back on that. So let me get this back over here, all set up. Inside here, and you probably really want to do this before you actually put the door up. But see that little screw right there? All you gotta do is loosen up that screw, push the door back, so it'll close a lot better. Make this adjustment real quick. All right. All right, make my adjustment, close the door. Close the door, a little bit of a push there, but bam, the door is done, everything's good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out now.